Hello, everybody. What's going on, everybody? This is your boy Bucky once again, back at it again. It's been probably a week or so since I uploaded my video. Uh, one, two, three. What's going on, y'all? This is your boy Bucky. It's been about a week since I uploaded a video. I'm here today at hextracoin. As you know, hextracoin is still on maintenance until the 9th, and it's about to be the 9th tomorrow, or in probably about 4 or 5 hours here. So we're going to see what happens, if it comes on or if it doesn't. But it's still on maintenance now, so who knows what's going to happen with hextracoin. Will they flake on us and steal all our money, or will they decide to be, or will they decide to come out and give us all our hextracoin gold? We don't know what's going to happen with that, but we're waiting, and we will see. Now the minergate. As you know, I only got 100 gigahashes of minergate. I haven't purchased any more, but I'm only got about 34 cents of BTC with minergate because I haven't purchased any more yet. So I'm not gonna worry about too much about that. Hashflare. I'm sorry, and I have about $40 or so of BTC. I cannot take it out until we reach about 0.051. As you can see, if I try to withdraw, it says the minimum amount would be 0.051. So I have some ways to go before I can even withdraw my money. But it seems like a lot of the issues that Hashflare has been dealing with has been dealt with. So who knows? I'm not worried about it right now. I'm not going to withdraw anything right now. So I'll probably just keep it like it is. And you can still buy SHA-256 if anybody's interested in purchasing any Hashflare SHA-256. It is still available if you're interested. I'm not sure what's happening here. Bitconnect X, be a part of the cryptocurrency movement, ICO, June 10th. I guess this is happening in 2 days. I'm not sure what's going to exactly happen, or if it's a conference, or if it's like a new program they're running with a different updated software. I don't know. But we're going to go ahead and exit that out. And we're going to go ahead and I'm going to have to log in real quick. Okay, we're here at Bitconnect. I've logged in, and this is a awesome occasion. I have $14 in my lending wallet. I could have reinvested it yesterday, but I decided to go ahead and wait until I was able to record. So I'm going to go ahead and reinvest it right now. We're going to go ahead and have, I'm just going to go ahead and click everything. Reinvest it, and we're going to have $300 in total. So that's a whole, we probably earned $70 with Bitconnect so far. So that's awesome. We got 300 now. We'll probably, who knows how long it'll take for us to get up to 400 or 600. So either way, we got to 300. It's been a slow process for these last few days, but it's worth it. 300 total invested. Let's see how much earned. $72 earned. Awesome. Awesome sauce. The price of Bitconnect is kind of down. It's at $364. You could almost decide to put your lending wallet into your Bitconnect wallet and wait for it to go up to 400, 500. But it's up to you. It's up to you guys. I wouldn't worry about it unless it's almost at 200.